it's Shannon. So I'm here today to bring you another Magnolia Market hack. Today I'm actually going to be doing a really simple one, and it is for the reclaimed wood wall shelf. And I know they're a little bit pricey online, but you can actually create your own with reclaimed pallet wood for free if you can find pallets on the side of the road, behind buildings. People like to get rid of these. So for free, you can build a Magnolia Market inspired wall shelf. So let's get started with this project. So here is my piece of pallet wood. Mine is about 3/4 of an inch thick. They have some pallet pieces that are quite a bit thinner than this, 1/2 inch or less. I would recommend getting one that is this thicker depth to it. So I'm actually gonna cut it down to 24 inches long, and then I want the shelf that comes off it to be the same width as this board, and this one happens to be 3.5 inches wide. So I'm actually gonna cut my shelf to be 3.5 inches long as well from the same piece. So just measure your piece of pallet wood, your width here, and then that is how long you want to cut your piece as well for the shelf. So here are the pieces cut. So this is how the shelf will go on here. I'm just gonna use some 80 grit sandpaper to knock down some of the splintering that's going on the pallet wood. And once I've done that, I'm gonna come back in with some wood glue and some 1 1/4 inch brad nails to nail this guy in from the back. Now I'm gonna add a sawtooth picture hanger to the back for hanging. And what I like about these is they have these little teeth on them that you just hammer right down into the wood. There's no nails involved, it's super easy.